I'm doing an unboxing video. Here it is. Oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Got. Okay, so this is the flamingo food we got poured in here. Pour it in. Okay, so we're gonna feed them. Okay. Eat it. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go. Gask. Okay, so you gotta dump this in, and then first you gotta put the strainer right there, and then you gotta pour it. It dries. And there we go. See, it's all dry now. And now we gotta put this back in the toilet. There we go. Put the toilet seat back on. Okay, so we're gonna feed it again. Are you done? Thanks for watching. A big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.